Choose from a top-of-the-line dual motor setup with all-wheel drive and 320 horsepower, or you can have a single rear axle layout with 225 horsepower.
Now this vehicle has different drive modes. There is a button on the steering wheel, you just depress it and you can actually get what you choose from eco to normal, go all the way to sport mode or even snow mode. The cool thing about it is if you change the modes, the colours on the dash change as well as the ambient lighting. That's pretty cool.
With acoustic design processors that generate unique sounds inside the cabin, the driving experience is truly one of a kind.